Alright, let's take a look at the Eventleaf Guide app. Your attendees can review your event details and agenda, review presentation documents, slides, and images, find out about guest speakers, respond to live polls, easily get directions to the event, and can access their registration and barcode for faster check-in. Attendees can receive the app download link in the confirmation email. Once signed in, attendees can review their registered events and stay up to speed by viewing your customized agenda. You can view both event and session documents and download them from the agenda. And with just a tap, attendees can view guest speakers and read their bios. You can also send out instant notifications and live polls, allowing attendees to rate sessions or respond to presenter questions. Getting to the event and getting in touch with the event organizer is easy thanks to instant directions. No need to print tickets or dig through emails to find the registration confirmation. The Guide app will allow your attendees to quickly access their ticket for faster login. Check out Eventleaf today at eventleaf.com, and thank you for watching.